Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Everyone wants to be happy with this Griha Kshetra Sutapa Vittu. Household life and having some land. Now in those days there was no industry. Therefore industry is not meant. Land. If you got land, then you can produce your food. And actually that is our life. Here in this village we find so much land lying vacant, but they are not producing their food. They make their food the cows, poor cows, to kill them and eat. This is not God. Griha Kshetra, you become Grihastha, but you produce your food from the land, Griha Kshetra. And when you produce food, then we get children. Griha Kshetra Suto Apavit. In India, in village, there is still the system is amongst the poor men, the cultivators. If the cultivator cannot provide to keep a cow, he will not marry. Joru and Goru. Joru means wife and Goru means cow. So one should keep a wife if he is able to keep a cow also. Joru and Goru. Because if you keep a wife, immediately there will be children. But if you cannot give them cow's milk, the children will be weak, rickety, not very healthy. They must drink sufficient milk. So cow is therefore considered mother. Because one mother has given birth to the child, the another mother is supplying milk. So everyone should be obliged to mother cow, because she is supplying milk. So according to our Shastra, there are 7 mothers. Adu Mata, real mother, from whose body I have taken my birth. Adu Mata, she is mother. Guru Patni, the wife of teacher, he is also mother. Adu Mata Guru Patni, Brahmani, the wife of a Brahmana, she is also mother. Adu Mata Guru Patni, Brahmani, Rajapatnika, the queen is mother. So how many? Adu Mata Guru Patni, Brahmani, Rajapatnika, then Dhenu. Dhenu means cow. She is also mother. And Dhatri. Dhatri means nurse. Dhenu Dhatri, Tatha Prithvi, also the earth. Earth is also mother. Then the people are taking care of motherland where he is born. That is good. But by they should take care of mother cows also. But they are not taking care of mother. Therefore they are sinful. They must suffer. There must be war, pestilence, famine. As soon as people become sinful, immediately nature's punishment will come automatically. You cannot avoid it. Therefore, Krishna consciousness movement means solution of all problems. Teaching people not to become sinful, because a sinful man cannot become Krishna conscious. To become Krishna conscious means that he has to give up his sinful activities. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,